Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Shama here, and I just want to fly the Phoenix 2400 2.4 meter glider once again before I go home. So after this nice flight, my 11.1 volt is still on 3.9, 3.9, 3.9. Each cell 3.9 volt. That means I can still stay airborne for longer time. So definitely, you know, gliders, they will offer you longer flight times, especially if you had winds. You could just turn off the motor and, you know, keep soaring around. I had a very good flight on Dart XL. I flew my F11 GPS Wi-Fi FPV quadcopter, and I just want to fly the Phoenix once again, baby. This plane behaves really nice. I wish I had more winds. Wish I had more winds. I could actually just go soar around. I can fly it like an aerobatic plane, man. I still have plenty of battery, I believe, for it to actually climb up. So with a little bit of flaps, I'll keep climbing. Some winds are starting. My low voltage alarm is started as well. It's a really old battery, I can tell you. Alright, turn down the throttle. And let's just try to soar around here at this area. I can feel some winds. Glider picks up a bit. Throttle down more to 25% maybe. I'll just try to do that nose down, pick up speed, and then nose up kind of thing, and see how long I can stay up in the air with this dying battery. It was showing me plenty of battery, 3.9 volt each cell, but as soon as I punch the throttle, it just starts, the low voltage beeper starts to beeping. Sweet, man, it seems like I'm actually soaring right there with this little throttle. I can, in this area, I can actually pick up some altitude as well. Alright, throttle completely zero. Turn in the winds, pick up some altitude, a little bit of altitude. But now losing altitude, definitely losing altitude because we have no winds. If I put the flaps down, possibly I will stall the glider. This is fun, man. I was really missing flying the gliders or RC planes line of sight. And today seems to be a very nice day to fly these. Gotta come down for landing with double flaps. Too fast? I should basically come down from here without touching that cable. A high voltage cable. Yes, definitely. Sweet landing, baby.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.